If you had to choose between the tranquility of the Bushveld and the grandeur of the mountains, which would it be? Or between splashing in a pool or camping under the stars? How about choosing between precious me time and unforgettable moments with your family? At Forever Resorts, we take the pressure off decision making by offering the best of both worlds with properties that offer variety so you don't have to choose. Picture yourself savoring ocean breezes and lush forests at Forever Plettenberg, or marveling at breathtaking views at Forever Blyde and Forever Swadini. Dive into thrilling water activities at Forever Warm Baths and Forever Butt Blast, or cast your line at Forever Loskop Dam and Forever Harib. Prefer camping? Enjoy nature at its best at Forever Palaborva and Forever Chappies. Here, you don't have to choose, because at Forever Resorts, every choice is the right one. Download the Forever Resorts mobile app or book online today.